No clear direction in markets today, with bulls and bears fighting for control. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete Forex market briefing for July 12th. Currency markets are being driven by a complex mix of central bank policy, geopolitical risk, and shifting growth expectations. Let us break it all down. Here is a snapshot of how the major currency pairs are trading today. Euro to US dollar is trading at 1.14, losing 0.02% on the session. The world's most traded pair is driven by ECB versus Fed rate differentials. Currency markets are reacting to weekly review gold slips for second straight week as stronger dollar caps safe haven demand the new Indian Express. Pound sterling to US dollar is trading at 1.34, gaining 0.01% on the session. Sterling is highly sensitive to UK inflation data and Bank of England rate guidance. Equity markets are responding to reports that US futures drift as investors await earnings season and inflation data, Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, Yahoo Finance. US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at 161.67, losing 0.53% on the session. Dollar yen tracks the US-Japan rate differential and Bank of Japan intervention risk. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. USD SGD is trading at 0.7744, gaining 0.05% on the session. The Singapore dollar reflects Asian FX sentiment, trade flows, and MAS monetary policy. Currency markets are reacting to weekly review gold slips for second straight week as stronger dollar caps safe haven demand the new Indian Express. Australian dollar to US dollar is trading at 0.6955, gaining 0.15% on the session. The Aussie dollar closely tracks commodity prices, especially iron ore, and Chinese growth signals. Equity markets are responding to reports that US futures drift as investors await earnings season and inflation data, Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, Yahoo Finance. US dollar to Chinese yuan is trading at 0.1478, gaining 0.38% on the session. The onshore yuan reflects PBOC daily fixings, US-China trade dynamics, and capital flow controls. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. US dollar to Indian rupee is trading at 95.37, losing 0.51% on the session. The Indian rupee tracks RBI monetary policy, FII and FPI capital flows, and US-India interest rate differentials. Currency markets are reacting to weekly review gold slips for second straight week as stronger dollar caps safe haven demand the new Indian Express. Now let us look at the macro forces behind today's currency moves. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that NASDAQ ends sharply higher, chip surge offsets Iran worries. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that US futures drift as investors await earnings season and inflation data, Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, Yahoo Finance. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall Street ends higher as investors turn to earnings season. Currency markets are reacting to weekly review gold slips for second straight week as stronger dollar caps safe haven demand the new Indian Express. Our near-term view on US dollar to Japanese yen. US dollar to Japanese yen is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the $164.91 resistance and $158.44 support as the boundaries of the current range. Currency markets can move fast and unexpectedly. Central bank surprises, geopolitical shocks, and data prints are the key risks to monitor. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your Forex briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily currency coverage.